Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Communitech, and today in this video we have a Dell Inspiron 3501 laptop with us. And the problem with this laptop is that the display of this laptop is faulty. When we switch on this laptop, we get a dim display and some vertical lines in between the screen. And if I show you, I have to switch off the lights because the display is very dim. So here I am switching off the lights, and now you can see here when I switch on the laptop we get some dim display, and there are some vertical lines which can be seen in between the screen, but actual display is not seen on the screen, and we have the display in the motherboard and it is working in the background. So friends, here we can see that the problem is with the display screen here, and it needs a replacement with the new screen. So in this video I will guide you how to safely make a replacement for the screen of this laptop model. And also the user wants to know whether the data in this laptop is safe or not in this situation. Then I want to tell you that the data is completely safe because the problem is with the physical screen only. But if the user has attempted a repeated on and off process for any kind of solution for this problem, then it might be a chance that the operating system file may get crashed or the hard drive may get bad sector due to improper shutdown, because the actual operating system cannot be viewed. But in that case also the user data is completely recoverable and safe. So first of all we need to replace the screen, then we will look over the user's data also. To replace the screen we need to separate the screen panel from the bottom base of this laptop. For this we have to remove all the screws from the bottom side, and we have to detach the screen panel from the base. So let's open the laptop first. Now we need this tool to open the back cover. And here we can see there are some screws on the hinge sides. We have to remove these screws, then we can easily separate the screen panel from the laptop base. So after removing all the screws from the hinges, we have to remove this battery connector. We have to detach the battery connector. Now we will disconnect the display cable. And the Wi-Fi adapter card. And then we have to open this laptop very carefully. We have to open the screen and tilt to the 90° or more than 90°, and then we can lift this screen laptop base and separate it from the screen panel. And here you can see this is the screen panel, and now we have to open the screen. To open the screen we have to open this screen bezel first, so we can easily lift it from the corners. We need an opener tool for this. Finding a little gap and using this tool we can open this bezel very easily. And here we have very easily removed this bezel from this panel, and this is the screen which we can see here. Now after removing the bezel from the panel we have to open all the screws present here on the hinges, which will separate it from the screen panel. And now we can lift this screen. This is the actual screen, and this is the display connector for this screen. This is the display interface connector. We have to remove the tape present here, which is holding this connector with the screen, and then we will disconnect this connector also. We have to remove this tape, and then we can open the lock present here. You can see this is a lock, and then we can pull it outward, and this screen will be detached completely. This is the actual panel which we require, and we have to remove these hinges from the screen also. So for this, we have to heat them a little bit. For this I will use my heat gun. Here you can see this is the glue which was used to cut these hinges with the screen. So here we have removed the hinges which we will require for the new screen, and this is the faulty screen. This is the faulty screen here, so we don't require it anymore. So here we have all the things together. We have to disassemble the screen of this laptop, and this is the screen which we have detached from the screen panel. And now we require a new screen for this laptop, and we have already purchased a new screen for this laptop, and this is our brand new screen which we will be installing for this laptop. This is the brand new screen which we are going to place for this laptop, and this screen is a 30-pin full HD display. So now we will fix the screen with the panel, but before fixing with the glue, we should always cross check the screen whether it has the display okay or not. So I'm also going to do the same. So for checking this screen, we will insert the interface connector. And now we will connect the other point of the connector with the main board. And now we will place the battery. And let's check whether we have done the work perfectly or not. And now we will power on the laptop and we'll observe the display. The power is on, and here we have our display on the screen, and it is fine. So now we ensure that the screen is perfectly okay, and now we can completely fix it with the screen panel. So here to fix the screen with the panel, we have to move step by step, and first of all we have to fix the hinges with the panel. So after placing the hinges to the panel, we need a double side tape like this. I have this 3M double side tape. It is a paper tape. So here you can see that there is some space given to place the tape. So we have to place the tape in the given area only. So here we have placed the tape, and now we have to place the screen very carefully. We have to connect the 30-pin EDP connector, and then we have to lock this connector. And for fixing this tape, we will be using this some extra tape so it stays on its place like this, and then we will remove the tape cover from the hinges. And we'll place this screen very carefully in the given margins here. There are the margins given for the screen placement, and then we will just press a little bit so the tape gets the hold for the screen, and now you can see the screen is fixed. Now we can put the bezel. Here we can see that we have placed the new screen to the panel, and we have also interlocked the panel with the bezel. And now we can put the base with the screen. This is the base of this laptop and this is the screen. We will combine these units as we open them. And now we will put the display connector back to the board. And now we will put the Wi-Fi connector to its place. And after placing the Wi-Fi connector, we have to fix all the screws for the hinges. So here we have fixed the hinges, the display connector, the Wi-Fi adapter also, and we removed this SSD for the safety purpose. So we will place this SSD back to its place. And after fixing all the things with the board, at last we have to connect the battery, the power source. We should always connect the power source in the last. So we will put the battery connector back, and now we will check the laptop again for the display. Here this power has come in the laptop, and this is our display. The laptop display is completely fine, and Windows is also getting loaded. So if the Windows is loaded successfully, then the user data is completely fine. Here you can see the display is okay, and the Windows has also loaded successfully. So now we can fix the back panel. So friends, we have fixed all the screws with the bottom base also, and our laptop is completely ready. Here we can see that we have our display okay, the display is okay, and the user's data is also safe. So friends, here you can see that we have made the replacement for this laptop. This is the faulty screen, and we have placed the new screen for this laptop, which is working very fine. And also the Windows has loaded successfully without any errors, which ensures that the user data is also safe. So this was the whole process for making a safe replacement for the screen of this laptop. I hope you enjoy the video, and please give me a like if you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. I will be bringing some more information videos to share with you. So thank you for watching, and thank you for being in this video with me. Thank you.